Bruh. Ah, that was funny. I'm gonna do this seriously. No. No! I'm gonna do it literally seriously. Sorry. But I'll do this serious. Nope, it's not serious. Bro! I mean, bruh, I don't mean anything. Bruh, I don't have the time. Fine, I'm gonna do it. Like, seriously. Oh no, it's getting big chunks of. Okay, it's not serious, but fine, I'll do it. Just kidding. I'm gonna do it serious. I like very serious. Bro, fine, I'm doing this. Bro, I'm doing it seriously. Bro, I'm gonna get to 20. Just kidding. This is what I hate the game most. Is that I cannot even do it if someone does it perfectly, meaning they are robot. But I'm gonna be robot. Oh, detected, 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 detected. Oh! I beat my high score. My high score was 12. Detected. Hello? I am a robot. Bro, I did it perfectly. Detected. 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 Even if it's perfect.